Welcome back YouTube, VST here at NSP Tech, and this is the Mojo2 bone conduction headphones from Mojave. They have been sent to me by them for review, guys, so this is what I'm gonna do in this video. But of course, first we are going to start with that unboxing. So this is the box, Mojo2 bone conducting headphones, Bluetooth apparently, right? Mojave, you have the logo nicely put there, also the logo there. When you turn them on the back, you can already see some of the specs. Apparently that's a bone conducting headphone set, open ear design, wideband vibration system, IP67 waterproof, ultra low sound leakage, titanium frame, and 8 hours of music and calls, and this all sounds very nice, guys. This specific headset should also have a special bass actuator which adds oscillators in a low frequency range to bring out the details of the bass and reveal the true rhythm and harmony of your playlist with punching intensity and help users push through their toughest workout. And of course I am reading that one, but of course we're gonna be testing this one. What is very important, guys, those should be only 26 gram lightweight, so very light to the head, also secure fit. They have this ergonomic design. This frame here should be made out of titanium. You should be able to bend this around your head. You should be able even to do backflips, you know, run, ride your bike, and do all these things like sport activities without any problems. Also, guys, very important, they should come within very easy and user-friendly controls. They have one button which acts as a touchpad, should be able to control the volume and other things with that. And they do also provide open ear comfort. That's the claim, right? Like the way they have been designed is just for comfort and also for safety, guys. And also, guys, very important, this is probably one of the main ideas of the bone conducting headphones: safety. So when you're doing sports, outside activities and etc., right, you should still be able to hear what comes around with you, guys. So with all of these promises in mind, guys, let's just try to open the box and see what we have inside. And guys, I will be then testing, and in this video you're gonna be just able to see my thoughts on the product. All right, brand new, as you can just see. They have been sent to me by Mojave, which really appreciate it, guys. So okay, it is already looking nice. Instructions: power on, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds, wait for the indicator light to turn on. Power off, press and hold it for 2 seconds. Then for pairing, guys, you should hold it for 5 seconds. And then for volume adjusting, guys, on the volume adjustment area, slide your finger upwards to increase and slide down to decrease. And you know I'm a very big fan of this slider control. Wow, oh my god, it's really very tiny, by the way. I can just see this, guys. Yeah, it's really like, I really don't have a feeling of holding anything. So it starts already very good. And this here, guys, you have the branding also here. You can just check Mojave, right? So they really have this unique design. I mean, if you would wear this on the streets, probably feeling nice and unique. Okay, let's just see, guys. Let's just see what else is in the box. So magnetic charging port, indicator light, volume adjustment area. And inside they come also with a case, guys. Very nice case, also branded with Mojave. And yeah, of course you have this thing here to absorb. And then, guys, you have here also a user guide. So let me just try very quickly to open the user guide, see what we have inside. It's also very important to just check really all these promises that are made by the product. So the bone conduction headphones user guides. And guys, noise cancelling microphone. So microphone is down below. We have here the volume touch control pad, and there is the magnetic charging port. So I should be able to open this here, and I just should find here the magnetic charging port. So we have one box with the charger. Okay, let me just open that one, guys. This apparently is the charger. So let me just try to unflip it, all right, because charging is also part of the experience. Let's just try to hook it up, guys. So the way this goes, you put this in your USB, and then you have these 2 pins here. They should attach here. Boom, wow. And the magnet is very strong, by the way. You can just see, I mean, so I like this. I like when magnets are strong. All right, so this all starts quite nice. And you, by the way, also have here some specific ear tips, which seem to be made like from memory foam. So already starting good. And guys, how to wear? So you need to just find the proper position, guys. Power on, power off, volume control. And I do believe, guys, that we are very close with starting the test. So apparently multifunction kit that I told you, you are able to do things like press one time, press two times, like in play next track, skip next track, back to the previous track, answer call, decline call. So pretty much all the standard things that you can do. And guys, let's try to read some specifications, guys. That's the model here, the frequency response. The Bluetooth range apparently is 10 meters. Battery inside is 130 milliampere hour. The charging time is less than 80 minutes. So they have IP67 and a standby time of 130 hours, guys. And also very nice, you have also LED indication, guys. So we're going to be also testing that one. And yeah, guys, if you're here for the first time and if you like products like this and videos like this, that's the best time for you to subscribe. Now let me test those for you, and yeah, please enjoy the rest of the video. So now it's the time for me to test the headphones. So of course I had to go outside here in the wilderness and guys give you my review. I have here the Mojo2 and I'm gonna put them on my head and guys just share my feedback with you. I have been testing them for a few days and there's something we need to go through. Wait, let me show you something. This here is a traditional wireless earbud. So the way it works, guys, you just open this, put this in your ear, and then the sound travels through the air, right, and then hits your eardrum. Okay, and this is really how you are getting the sound. Now just pay attention, guys. See this here? The Mojo2 are bone conducting headphones, so the sound will not travel through the air reaching your eardrum, but instead you have to put them there. So you're gonna feel the sound with your jaw, with your bones, and etc. So it's a whole other different technology. Why am I saying this? If you're new to the bone conducting headphones, don't expect them to sound like regular headphones that you just put inside your ear. That's not the goal, and I want to be very straight with this. So you will not get the sound that you get here. It's gonna be different, right? I'm not saying bad, right? It's gonna be just different and you need to get used to that. So I've been listening to the Mojo2 for a few days and now guys, this is my final review. So first thing I want to say, they're really very light, guys. Like with 26 grams, it's almost like you are not wearing them. And you can just see the fit, by the way, right? They just fit perfectly on all sides. You can also wear them with a helmet, right? So that's not a problem. I have long hair, so not a problem if you have long hair as well. So they're really made for sports. So besides being light, of course, and besides being a bone conducting headphones, they have I think one very big advantage, and this is just safety. I'm not really a very sporty guy, but I use them while coming here to shoot a video traveling with my car. So riding my car, listening to those headphones poses no risk for me because I'm totally aware with what happens around me. Now don't get me wrong, they can be loud as well. So let's say if I just put the volume to the maximum, I'll have problems to understand people speaking close to me. But also they don't leak so much as the previous generations. So comfort-wise, safety-wise, if you want to do sports and be totally safe, like riding a bike or just riding some other things, this here is your best choice. Now I want to talk about the controls, guys. I want to show you something which I believe is very interesting. A lot of these headphones, guys, they have problem with gestures, they have bad touch control. This is not the case here. You have a button on this side which you can use to power them on, hold for 5 seconds and you can also pair them. And it's very important, guys, this button here can also be used to do all kinds of stuff. Let me show you. I'm gonna press the button one time so the music will start, as you can see here. Pressing one more time, of course, will stop the music. Pressing twice will get you to the next song. Now pressing 3 times will get me the previous song. And this works all so beautiful. But you know, the best part that I like, you can do this also with your calls. So somebody's calling you, you can pick up, you can hang up. And then, guys, there is this question left, like, what do we do with the volume control? Let me show you, guys. If I play a track like this, you can, of course, control this with your phone. But I came up with this very clever slider here. Right, so you can just go behind your ear, guys, and you have here slight touch control, and this is really something that I like very much. I had this feature on the Nothing Ear, just controlling volume with a slider. It's so nice. I have this also on my very big Sony headphones, the big, over earbuds. So this really here is fantastic. So not only are you able to control the volume up and down just by using this slider here, if you double tap on this like this, you're gonna get access to your assistant. Right, and guys, these are really plenty of functions, but I didn't really even touch the sound quality. So as I told you in the unboxing part of the video, they have a custom patent oscillator that will really help you with the bass. Now how can I explain this in the best way? What are those oscillators doing? Well, if you're playing a very basic tune like something from Daft Punk or from Skrillex guys, and just pay attention, you put your fingers like this, the bass is going to disappear. When you remove your fingers, you can just still feel the bass. Now let's do a walking test, guys, and also a running test, because this is also part of the whole deal here. Like, these headphones are really meant for someone with sporting habits, but also someone who want to be aware, you know, with surroundings, and also really want to bet strongly on safety. And that's really also one of the things that I like about these headphones. They're really built for that. So let me just show you guys. I'm gonna start running right now. You can see the feet, guys. Not a problem at all. I can move my head like this. I can try to jump. No, they will not really let you down, and they really will not fall. Listening to music at the same time and also getting full awareness of your surroundings. Now let's talk about the sound quality, guys. As I explained in the beginning of my video, guys, they have built these oscillators to help with bass. But also, as I said in my video, you have to level your expectations, so you will not have to expect a similar sound or experience as from a normal earbud that really goes inside your ear. The sound quality still is okay. I've listened to rock music, I've listened to electronic music. It was very nice. The stereo separation is quite nice, and you know, there is this adoption time that you need. So in the first few hours, this is going to tickle you. Specifically when you pump up the volume and the bass, it's gonna feel strange. But you know, I came to probably like about 80% of volume, which is perfect for me and ideal. I was listening to them for hours, and they are not causing any fatigue, so you're not gonna get tired of wearing them. Like, there's not a problem at all. I saw online that the first version here was thicker, and they also of course had a reflector, which probably not needed right now. This is, by the way, very well built. Now it really looks durable, right? This is made out of carbon, I believe. So this pair of headphones, guys, are really meant for the people that want to experience sport and sound at the same time, while also being aware with the situation around them. So they're really betting full on safety. It's a very good pair of headphones, and right now I believe you can go and grab them. There is a promotion on Amazon. I'm gonna put some links down below, guys. And thanks to Mojaverse for sending this unit to me. So if you're a company out there that do some nice stuff and you think I can make a review, yeah, you can get in touch with me. So guys, please all stay safe, and yeah, we're gonna meet in one of my next videos. With that said, VST over and bye.